Doctors are highly trained medical professionals who help diagnose, treat, and care for patients. They work in hospitals, clinics, or community settings, examining people, ordering tests, and prescribing medicines. Doctors can specialize in different areas like surgery, general practice, or pediatrics. Their main goal is to improve patients' health and well-being by providing the best medical advice and treatment. The yearly salary of a doctor varies depending on their experience and role. Junior doctors, just starting their careers, typically earn around £30,000 to £40,000 a year. As they gain experience and specialize, their pay increases. Experienced consultants, who are senior doctors, can earn between £75,000 and over £100,000 per year. Salaries can also be higher if doctors work extra hours or take on additional responsibilities. To become a doctor in the UK, a person must complete several years of education and training. First, they need to study medicine at a university, which usually takes 5 to 6 years, and results in a degree like MBBS or MBCHB. After university, they complete a 2-year foundation program working in hospitals to gain practical experience. Following this, they choose a specialty and undertake further training, which can last several more years. Throughout their training, doctors must register with the General Medical Council (GMC) to practice legally.